I originally started this off with, have you ever seen a business or sign with curved text? The answer is, obviously, we're surrounded by it. But do you know how to make it? Today, I'm going to teach you how. Starting off in Photoshop, find your text tool. Place your text, locate the Create Warp Text button at the top. After clicking the button, the Warp Text Options panel will appear. Here you can find several options for creating warp text. Have fun and experiment with these options. You can use the Warp Text tool to create a plethora of logos and banners for clients or personal work. What if you want a vectorized logo and want to create this in Adobe Illustrator? It's just as simple. Place and type your text. With your text selected, on the top of your screen, locate the Make Envelope button. The Warp Options panel will pop up after clicking. Here you can create and experiment with the same envelope warp options that Photoshop uses. Now whenever you see a sign with curved text, you can say, hey, I can make that too. I hope I was able to teach you something new today. If you did and want more graphic design content like this, subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.